Okay, from the home screen here, we're going to click on the little crow icon down there on the bottom center, and that's going to bring us to our menu. At the trade menu at the top, we're going to click on Fiat Wallet. Then we're going to click on Transfer and Deposit. We're going to highlight the USD currency. You should already have that set up. This isn't a full tutorial on Crypto.com. I imagine you're already a user of the app and you should already have your fiat and everything all set up. So at the top here, we're going to link bank accounts, the very first option, and click on the link bank account deposit now button down there. I already have a account in there, but we're going to add account. We'll add another one, and we're going to hit continue on Plaid here. You're going to search for your bank. Hey, sorry to bust in. Just a quick channel update, and I think you're really going to like this one. So at the end of every month, we're going to be doing a giveaway. This month, I'm going to be giving away a Thor Heimdall node to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is like this video and subscribe, and that will automatically enter you into the contest. No need to do anything else other than just subscribe and like. And then from here, you're going to enter in your credentials. It's going to ask you for some two-factor authentication type of things to get your bank account added, but go ahead and put those in. And once you have those done, we can put our amount in that we want to deposit from our new account. So we'll do $100 from my new account and hit deposit. And then confirm. It'll prompt you with some two-factor authentication, and then there we go. Our deposit is done. So now we'll go back to our Fiat wallet, and you'll notice that it shows that the deposit is pending. I have seen this take a couple of minutes, but it's really not long at all. It'll show pending, and then once it's done, it will actually show the balance up at the top here. So that's it. Pretty easy, and we can get fiat onboarded to Crypto.com. So in a dip like there is today, we can get some money up there and purchase some of our HODL coins. I will tell you this, one thing I did notice, and I do a lot of my trading now on KuCoin, Crypto.com does not have any fees, but they do charge a percentage amount over what the coin actually is. So if you go in and look, say, Matic is $1.77 on KuCoin, it'll be $1.78 on Crypto.com. So their price is a little bit higher. I think they factor in just a percentage instead of doing like a flat fee for makers and takers trades. So just keep that in mind, that is one downside on Crypto.com and getting fiat up onto their platform to buy your crypto. That being said, I am very bullish on them. I do hold a lot of Crow. Yes, I do. I've really been liking using the card and getting that 3% back on rewards. It took a while for me to get my card. I actually just got it about a week ago, so I need to top it up. That's another good thing. You can use this ACH method to top up your card. So we did try to top up the card with the ACH funds that we just added, and we were not allowed to. So looks like you do have to wait for that 7-day deposit to clear. This is a correction video. It's about 3 days later. My funds have cleared, so you didn't have to wait the entire 7 days. I think that 7 days is just the maximum amount. So 3 days later, funds have cleared, and we topped up the card. So unfortunately, you can't use this as a instant top up. It makes sense that they want to make sure that their funds clear before they give you access to them immediately, but it was worth a shot. So that was just a quick update. I wanted to throw that in there. Again, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. We really appreciate that. It does help us quite a bit with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any projects or, as Alex Becker would say, love that guy, degenerate DeFi projects that you're looking into and you'd like us to look into as well and do some research, I'd love to do that for you. Just leave me a comment in the comment section below. We do go through the comments every day and make sure that we answer everybody. And then last thing, make sure to hit subscribe. We are doing a monthly giveaway. It's every single month. We will be giving away free crypto. It's my way of giving back to you guys and thanking you for being a part of the network. So please just subscribe. Make sure your subscribe settings are set to public. There's a link in the description below on make sure that you can do that. That allows me to be able to see that you're subscribed to the channel. And when I pull my my export and do the random drawing, then that makes sure that I can see your name. So keep that in mind. And if you need any more information on that monthly giveaway, link in the description below, please take a look at that. And again, like I said, any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.